Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll help you that how you can get the free international number for making your fake WhatsApp account or your personal account. You can use Telegram account, WhatsApp account on these international numbers. If you want to get the numbers, then follow my few steps and settings to get free. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store. From there you have to search Free Tone app. After installing this application, you have to go back, open the app now. Make sure before using this application you have to connect to any VPN you want. You have now connect to VPN. Now open again. Click on numbers. Get the first phone number. There is all countries number, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Austria. Click on that you want. Here is a number, you can use any number and make a free WhatsApp account. Now this is not working. Then another step is that open your any browser. Here you have to search 5sim.net. This is a website, you can get any country's number from there and make a free WhatsApp account. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.